The Fast Frame 4P is hands down one of our best sellers in the range, and it's perfect for small groups or small families looking to head outdoors and looking for a quick and easy setup. Measuring it at 2.4 by 2.4 metres with a head height of 1.95 metres puts it right in the sweet spot for portability and pack size. Something you'll see across the whole series of Fast Frame tents are our large gusseted windows, which optimises airflow, reduces condensation, and allows you to have the windows open even in bad weather. Another feature is the small vestibule out the front, which gives you an area to store your gear outside the tent and additional shade. Now running over the top of the tent is a seam-sealed 150D fly sheet with a 1500mm waterhead to keep you dry. Incorporating our red to red system means you get the fly sheet on the right way every time. You'll also notice that the Fast Frame tents have near vertical walls to maximise internal space. The Fast Frame 4Ps have a zippered PowerPort entry at the front for easy access for cables and to keep the creepy crawlies out. Now every Fast Frame tent is wind tested and rain tested to give you the confidence when you're heading outdoors. Now we know our tents are one of the fastest to set up, and thanks to the oversized gusseted carry bag, it's just as quick to pack down. So with all those features, you can see why thousands of Australians enjoy this tent every year. Jump online to OZtrail.com.au to find out more.